said they would like to start. I don't know how they do it.
Yeah, Major, I'm here. The machine is very neat. So we are, as you can see, the machine is very neat. So the smell is of a new car. Very nice smell. Rooftop, you can see it, a sunroof. So as we said, the only thing that's missing right now is the charging, because when it's coming over the ship, they normally drain the battery. So that's the machine. Nice machine. We are here as Hybrid Motors, Mr. EX5. Nice machine. Electric, pure electric. Pure electric. Unbelievable. Nice machine. Very nice machine. Unbelievable price. 400-kilometer range. 400-kilometer range. Yeah.